In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and easily access Google Gemini by pinning it to your taskbar and desktop for instant availability. So let's dive in and ensure that you have Google Gemini at your fingertips whenever you need it. First, you want to begin by opening Microsoft Edge on your computer. Microsoft Edge is a robust web browser that comes pre-installed on most Windows systems, and it offers a seamless browsing experience. Once you have Edge open, navigate to Google by typing its URL in the address bar or simply searching for it if it's not already your homepage. Upon reaching Google's homepage, you'll want to position your cursor in the search bar and type in Google Gemini. After typing, hit Enter on your keyboard, and you'll be presented with a list of results related to Google Gemini. Your focus here should be on finding the Google Gemini website within the search results. Click on the link to access the site directly. Once you land on the Google Gemini homepage, go ahead and turn your attention to the upper right corner of your browser. There, you'll see 3 horizontal dots, which is the settings menu icon. It's a good tool for various options and features within Edge, and you're going to use it today to make accessing Google Gemini even more convenient. Click on those 3 dots to open the settings menu. A drop-down list will appear, presenting several different options. You'll want to scroll down this list until you find the More Tools section. Clicking here expands another set of options, and we're getting closer to our goal. From the More Tools submenu, you'll see an option labeled Pin to Taskbar. By selecting this, you will create a quick access shortcut directly on your Windows taskbar. This means that with just one click, you'll be able to launch Google Gemini from your desktop environment swiftly and efficiently. Now that you've pinned Google Gemini to your taskbar, let's go a step further and pin it to your desktop. This adds yet another layer of accessibility. Here's how you can do this. With Google Gemini open in your Edge browser, place your focus on the security icon. This is the small lock symbol located in the search bar, right next to the URL. It represents a secure connection to the site. Click and hold this security icon, and then drag it onto your desktop. You'll notice it creates a shortcut link directly on your desktop. By placing this shortcut there, you're making sure that you have another fast and convenient way to access Google Gemini with just a simple double click whenever you need it. And there you have it. A streamlined process to keep Google Gemini at your fingertips, enhancing your productivity and saving valuable time. This easy setup ensures that you're just a click away, whether you're working from your taskbar or desktop. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy the ready access to Google Gemini.